Alright, so this video will be short and sweet. I just wanted to show you a couple of settings. If you go to Settings, Printer, and then Manage Printers. So I click on my Creality Ender 3. This is the one that I'm using. Go into my machine settings, okay? And these are what we're looking for, the start G code and the end G code, okay? If you look through here, this is going to tell you exactly what it's doing. It's going to draw a line. It's going to move to the side a little bit and draw another line. Those are the purge lines. So it's going to put a line along the y-axis of the far left side of your build plate to make sure that there's nothing leaking out of the nozzle and that whatever was extruded last has been completely extruded. Then it's going to reset the extruder, move the z-axis up a little bit to prevent it from scratching the build surface, and then it will start the print. On the end G code, what I have done is changed it to move the heated bed forward, so it pushes it forward so the model's easier to access. So I will copy and paste both of these down below. All you need to do is grab them, copy the start G code and paste it here, copy the end G code and paste it here, and then go ahead and close that, and it should save everything for you. You will notice a difference right away when the printer starts up and when your print finishes.